Recording.
All right, great news. We are in Cherokee. It's a Friday. It's 8:30 in the morning. I got a little early start this morning. I got up at 5 and the sky was just full of stars. It was beautiful, perfect. For a Friday morning, I was like, okay, this is going to be great. By 6:15, there was so much fog. And now I'm in Cherokee. It's not too bad. It's definitely overcast. I have seen blue skies this morning, and I have seen sunlight. But, yeah, right now in this area, it is not pretty. But it is 72 degrees. And my bike is running great. I just did my 60,000 mile service on this bike. And everything was golden on it, except for the air filter. And that's a funny story. By the way, I did go into the Heavenly Fudge shop over there. For any of you that have watched my other videos and said that, or heard me say that I need to see that fudge shop, I need to see that candy store. And they had chocolate covered bacon, which looked really good, but their prices were insane. So one of us turned around and walked out, and we didn't buy any candy or fudge or any of that. But you know, it's to be expected, right? You're in a little tiny tourist city. There's like 2 or 3 other candy store fudge shops. So yeah, they gotta kind of mark their prices up and compete with each other. And they got rent and they have to pay their employees. I don't imagine there's a whole lot of people that are running to candy stores to buy homemade candy these days. All right, where are my elks? Where are they today? They are not here. They're not here. We drove up here last Saturday, and there were a few out, none by the road like typical. But I'm gonna be unhappy if I have to follow this POS Bronco much longer. People who buy those Broncos just amaze me. What a piece of crap Ford makes. It's like they were trying to butch up a Kia Soul for the LGBT community. Yeah, there's not going to be any There's not going to be any elks out here. We had a really bad storm last night, as you can tell from how wet the roads are. I must say the roads are wet through here about every time I come up in any of my videos. We have been getting a fair amount of rain every afternoon, every night. Every night's a thunderstorm. I'll just say that. Every night there's a decent thunderstorm. For all the areas in the world that are under drought conditions, I'm okay with it raining here. And there's good news. It's Miata weekend in the mountains, and I forgot about that until I got up. I guess I got up around US 129, where it turns off to Robbinsville. All the Airbnbs had Miatas parked around it. All the hotels are full of Miatas, so yeah, it dawned on me. A buddy of mine was like, yeah, the Miatas are here this weekend. He said that Tuesday, and I was like, ugh. There's nothing more sexy than two dudes riding around holding hands in a Miata. Alright folks, there's no elk. All we have is this crappy Bronco. Alright, I'll see you later.